Hi, I'm Lindsay Marshall, Executive Pastry Chef, and today we'll be making French macarons. So yet again, make sure you have all of your ingredients ready. You want to sift your powdered sugar and your almond flour together. And whip your egg whites until they're very stiff, gradually adding your granulated sugar. Once they're nice and stiff, you're going to fold in your sifted powdered sugar and almond flour. At this point, you can add your food coloring of choice. I use powdered color, it tends to work better, but you can use liquid as well. Pour it into a piping bag with a round tip. And you're going to pipe 1-inch diameter circles onto your parchment lined sheet pan. You're going to let those air dry for 30 minutes, and then you'll put them in the oven at 275 high fan for approximately 15 minutes. Once they cool, then you'll have the shells ready, and we'll start making the buttercream for the filling. You want to get your water, granulated sugar, and corn syrup, and you're going to cook that until it reaches 240 degrees. You'll have egg whites mixing. When they're soft peak and your sugar is at 240 degrees, you'll slowly mix your sugar into your egg whites while whipping. You're going to let this mixture come all the way to a cool. If needed be, you can add some ice on the bottom of the bowl, but we'll get to that. Add in your room temperature cube butter. And if it needs to, you can cool down your bowl on the outside with either ice, or you can heat it up with a torch. Now you can add your food coloring. You can also add flavoring at this point as well. You can put it in a piping bag with a round tip, and then grab a jam of your choice. You'll want to pipe your outside ring onto the shell of the buttercream. And then on the inside, you'll put the jam that you would like. Close each shell, and it completes the macaron.